That becomes the new number one. First Grand Slam final appearance for Yakovic. Serena won the U.S. Open back in 2002. That was the last time she won. Williams took the first set 6-4. Yakovic then breaks Williams to go 4-3 the second set. Next set, the next game, Yakovic hits the forehand of Williams into the net. Yakovic up 5-3. After Serena out serve, she starts to make a run. Breaks Yakovic. So we're tied for 5 in the second set. Now Williams serving. The great backhand block.